China's largest bubble tea chain Mixue was off to a robust start on its trading debut, jumping as much as 47% at one point. Our shares rose as high as 298 Hong Kong dollars after opening at 262 Hong Kong dollars each. The sellers started reinforcing hopes for a strong year in new equity issuances by Chinese companies in Hong Kong. CNA's Wong tells us more.
A resounding vote of confidence from Mixue for Hong Kong's financial market. The Chinese beverage company saw its profits grow 42% to $481 million in the first 9 months of last year, from $343 million during the same period in 2023. In its prospectus, the company said it sold about 9 billion cups of drinks through its store network last year. Founded in 1997, it has since grown to more than 46,000 stores across China and in 11 other countries such as Indonesia and Vietnam. It says its drinks are typically priced around $1. With the company's expanding footprint, who better to represent Mixue than the familiar mascot, as its stock code 2097 went on the main board.
上市只是一个新的起点。2097也绝不是终点，我们会继续努力，将爱与甜蜜洒向世界，让创业精神薪火相传。
According to the company's prospectus, it wants to use the money raised to expand its production capacity in China, such as building new facilities and upgrading existing ones. It also plans to advance its business processes through digitalization.
Mixue managed to list the company in a sweet spot, which means that the Chinese asset sentiment has improved over the past few months because of DeepSeek and all this tech-driven rally. But it really depends on how the business really go. And there is, from a macro level, this drive about this stronger policies from the government in supporting the general consumption. But on the other hand, we also cannot forget that bubble tea is a really highly replaceable industry that is highly competitive.
Over the last 2 years, Hong Kong's capital market has been affected by global geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties. But this year, according to accounting firm PwC, it expects IPO fundraising in Hong Kong to reach up to 160 billion Hong Kong dollars or $21 billion US. Market watchers believe the Mixue trade kicking off this new year is just the start of more Hong Kong IPO activities, especially among mainland enterprises.
First, because of the tighter domestic regulatory environment, Chinese firms will need to find other venues if they want to raise funds through equities. And second, a lot of Chinese companies are facing the challenge of the domestic deflation and growth pressures, so they would want to go overseas. So if they want to expand in the overseas market and get liquidity, Hong Kong will be the best choice.
Last year, Hong Kong saw more than 70 new listings, raising $11 billion US. Now that amount is almost double that seen in 2023. That growth also helped to put Hong Kong in the 4th place in the global IPO market. This year alone, another 100 companies are waiting to list here in the city. Hong Kong authorities believe this is a sign of increasing confidence in the city's financial prospects. Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.